Calisthenics is simple. Even though every other feat on YouTube looks even more insane, almost impossible to achieve. And it's not at all easy, but it is simple because every pro you see started in the same place where you are about to. A push-up that looked like your body was buffering, wrists that felt like wet spaghetti. Everyone shows the part where they've made it. No one shows the in-between, where your elbows flare, your spine caves, and you're staring at the ground wondering why you ever started. But that's where the body starts to listen. That's where the shape begins to change. So let's get started. 1. Angle overload. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need to tilt your body into incline push-up. Too easy. Flat push-up. Still fine. Decline push-up. Congratulations, you've unlocked chest pain as a service. Every few degrees you change your angle, the resistance multiplies. Now before you even start flexing with new angles, let's fix the reason most of you can't even get past 10 push-ups without looking like a dying seal. Most guys don't fail push-ups because their chest or triceps are weak. They fail because their core collapses. Here's what happens. You start repping, your abs fatigue, your hips sag, and your nervous system panics. It interprets that instability as danger. So it shuts everything down to protect your spine. That's why you suddenly hit a wall, even when your arms feel like they could have done more. Fix it. Start with planks, hard planks, elbows under shoulders, glutes squeezed, ribs pulled down. Hold 3 sets of 45 to 60 seconds daily. Instead of going for 20 straight and burning out, do 5 reps every 30 seconds for 5 minutes. That's 50 push-ups without hitting failure. Do push-ups randomly through the day. 5 here, 10 there. Not to failure. Tempo control. Most beginners move like they're trying to speed run their way out of effort. Fast reps, 0 control. If you slow it down, 3 seconds down, 1 pause, 2 seconds up. Tempo training makes your brain scream before your muscles even join in. 3. Prehab over heavy. 5 minutes before every workout. Wrists, scapula, shoulders. That's it. It's not glamorous, but neither is physical therapy. And speaking of doing it right, the reason pull-ups feel impossible isn't your back. It's your grip and scapular control. You can't pull what you can't hang from. Step 1. Fix your grip. Your forearms are like fuses. They blow out first. Hang every day. Start with 10 to 15 seconds. Work to 60 plus. Use a towel grip if the bar feels too easy. Bonus. Squeeze your pinky finger hardest. It locks the whole chain. Step 2. Activate your lats before you pull. Most beginners yank with their arms. Instead, hang and pull your shoulders down. Do 3 sets of 5 to 10 scap pulls before every workout. It teaches your lats to take over and prevents that arm death feeling mid-rep. Step 3. Use negatives smartly. Jump to the top of a pull-up and lower down in 4 to 5 seconds. Do that 5 times, 3 days a week. Your nervous system learns the top to bottom path first. Then the pull-up becomes instinct. Step 4. Mix hangs and isos. Alternate between 10-second dead hangs, 10-second 90-degree holds, and 10-second top holds. It builds joint confidence. The reason most people fail midway is not strength, it's the brain aborting the mission halfway. 4. Flexibility is not optional. You stiff little Lego brick. You ever try to squat and feel your entire body fight back? Not your legs, your soul. Your ankles scream. Your hamstrings start speaking Latin. Your lower back files a formal complaint. That's because you've been sitting in chairs like a shrimp for 10 years. Flexibility is a requirement. You don't need to do the splits, but you do need to touch your toes without snapping in half like a crusty breadstick. Stretch every day, or gravity will stretch you for free through injury. 5. Progress will be so boring, you'll think you're doing it wrong. Your pull-ups will go from 1 to 2, then stay there for 3 weeks. Your push-ups will improve by 5 reps, then drop back down when you don't sleep. This is normal. Your body is a moody roommate that resents being told what to do. That's it. No gym, no fancy setup, just body weight, gravity, and spite. In 20 minutes, you'll have trained your body, your patience, and your ability to withstand existential despair. Efficiency looks a lot like laziness when it's done right. Calisthenics isn't about monk-level focus. It is the discipline to show up. No one's watching, no one's clapping, no one's filming, but you're there, sweating, shaking, repeating. You'll fail 100 times trying to get your first clean pull-up, but then you'll get it, and it'll be louder than anything else you've ever done, and no one will hear it, but you will, and that's enough.